Today we'll be unboxing this Xbox Series X Replica mini fridge. So it does light up here on the top. Does include a USB port. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the instruction manual. Let me put the box to the side. Does look pretty nice actually. Here's the back side. Let me zoom in on it. We do have an on and off switch right here. DC in, AC in. So this cooler, you don't want to use it for any medications or anything like that. It's I would say it's basically for show. It's only for decoration basically. And same thing states it here in the instructions. Cooling capability stated will vary depending upon a number of key factors. Then right there, that's an important one. This cooler cannot provide proper temperature control as there is no thermostat. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the inside looks like. Back here with all the cords and everything. And it's very small, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. See what it looks like lighted up. So it does come with a car adapter. Cord seems to be like 4 feet, I believe, around there. Alright, so first time plugging it in. Light it up here on the top. Go ahead and press on. So a little fan here turned on the top. I guess the button in the back might be the cooling one. Let's go ahead and press this button. Okay, this one is the light on top. This one is the Xbox light here. So it's pretty simple, nothing really special about it. It's just the looks of it. It's pretty nice. I got this off Walmart. It was in special. It was about $50, I believe, which is not a bad price. They normally go for like 100, 120. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it does have a little green light there. I am starting to feel the little back part here in the back cold. So it's probably good only to cool down water. I don't think there's any other good use for it other than just a display. To open this easier, it does have a little tab here on this door. You have to press it and it'll unlock. So little tabs there, you have to press it there. Same thing to close it. press it, then you open it. And this is the top part, just in case you're wondering what you can see inside. That's a fan. So if you turn off the power here in the back, turns off the fan, but all the lights come on. Let's see if the door inside is on. Yes. So that switch is only for the refrigeration. So that's a nice feature that they put an on and off switch in the back. That way you can just display it with the lights on. In case you're wondering, just like me, I have a watt measure here. I want to know how many watts if you want to just use it for the decoration. So right there it's plugged in, everything is off. I'm just gonna turn on this one. That's for the top lights. So if you just want to use a top light, pulls 1.3 watts, 1.4, 1.3. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Let's go ahead and turn on the little Xbox. So it's a 0.3, yeah, 0.3. So it's not that bad. What about both together? 1.5. What if you want to see the actual fridge part, the cooling part? Turned on the switch in the back. That's the cooling one. So it pulls out about 45, 44 watts. What about the door, the lights inside? And that pulls 0.4. Let's see all together. Let's turn this one on, and the one in the back. So everything on, it's about the same, 44, 43. When you turn on the off the cooler, and that's only the lights, the light on the top and the Xbox light. It's not that bad.